Today's activity was bought off of Groupon. And this is the field where we start our adventure in Davenport, Florida. This is your seat. Here I am helping blowing up the balloon. A closer shot. A small glimpse inside the balloon. And we're off. Check out this mesmerizing view. We rode over trees, golf courses, highways, and even had balloons trailing us. Another look at that beautiful view. But all good things must come to an end. And this is the deflating process. We even got to help. Bottoms up. For the pros, it was very beautiful. It's on Groupon and you get a nice champagne toast at the end. For the cons, it's a high admission price. It's very dependent on weather. You have a cramped space. You have to wake up extra early just to take the flight. For the rating, I'd say maybe try it out. And please subscribe for weekly updates and tours. Yes,